I'm the president of the Women Dermatologic Society. I'm very proud actually to be here this year in MEIDAM, the third time. MEIDAM represents one of the most fantastic and most innovative conferences occurring in the Middle East area. The speakers are very well chosen. The content of the conference is very scientific and highly educative. I believe that MEIDAM has been considered as one of the most important events occurring in the Middle East. And I want everyone to come to join MEIDAM. Congratulations again, Dr. Khalid Al-Nuaimi and all the organizing committee for this excellent event. And I wish you more and more success, more giving for the field of dermatology and aesthetic medicine. Thank you very much.